Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy white sauce pasta without any milk. We'll explore a fantastic method that delivers a rich, satisfying sauce using just a few staple ingredients you likely already have on hand. This technique ensures a wonderfully velvety texture and a truly delicious flavor, proving that you don't need dairy milk to enjoy a classic white sauce pasta dish. Get ready to transform your pasta nights with this simple, yet incredibly effective, recipe. Our journey to a luscious, milk-free white sauce begins with a classic roux. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or a good quality olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth, thick paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step is crucial for cooking out the raw flour taste and building a foundational flavor for our sauce. Now for the magic that creates our creamy texture without milk. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour in about 1½ cups of hot pasta water, reserved from your cooking pasta, or warm vegetable broth. It's vital to whisk continuously as you add the liquid to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the sauce is completely smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and you'll notice it beautifully thickening to a perfect, rich consistency. To complete our incredible milk-free white sauce, it's time for seasoning. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of richness and savory depth, you can stir in 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese if you wish. Finally, pour this glorious, creamy sauce over your freshly cooked pasta, toss gently to coat every strand, and serve immediately for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.